haukiba tang 13 November Jiram district laktuna yum mai tharba matungda mioi taru angang ahunga loinana phakiba si as a student amoy am strongly condemn tawze ngasi ga thana numit mangani suruba bauta Langla Langjin amta khangdana laiba si ju thamoi so yaningde maram aduna habade jenariba mioi sing asina makhoi bu tek ta kadin thadok pira u amadi state amadi na central government sina su thoiba thawdo sta meeting sangbiduna akan beksan lokhana ba thamoi sena ai gi side tai ju haijari.
Today I am here in front of you to tell you about the worst situations happening in Manipur. As a student of RDO, I felt a strongly condemned situation going on RDO. I would like to tell you that there are many innocent people who were kidnapped, including women and minor children who were not even a year old. And they were kidnapped and abducted by the Chin cookie narco terrorist on 11th November 2024. It's been 5 days and we even don't know that they're alive or dead. I heartfully request the government of Manipur and the government of India to look after the situation happening in Manipur. It's been 2 years which is going on and they have not even took a single step against it. I would kindly request the abductor also to release the innocent people and spare their life as soon as possible. Thank you.